Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop seeing info cards on YouTube. If you're tired of those little pop-ups in the corner of the videos showing recommendations or links, I'll show you how to disable them. These info cards can sometimes be distracting, especially when you're trying to focus on a video. First, go to YouTube. After that, click on your profile and click on Settings. Now, click on Playback and make sure to turn this feature off. Find the Show and Video info cards and make sure to turn off the toggle button. Now, this makes your viewing experience much cleaner and less distracting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.